My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the site Tactpronet. So Tactpronet, this is a junk and truly deceptive website which may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This site, Tactpronet, tries to actually mislead you and to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by Tactpro.net, don't interact with them, don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. They are absolutely faulty and deceptive, so don't trust these misleading and fake alert if you see it. We strongly advise that you simply leave this page and don't tolerate it. We also recommend that you thoroughly examine your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then start thoroughly researching and investigating your computer in order to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.